Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on your Narwal Freo Z10. If you're interested in the Z10 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first thing we have to do is remove this cover on the front. You can just pull it out towards you. It's just held on by a couple of magnets here at the top. You'll see those 3 magnets there. So you just kind of pull it out of the way. You can grab it on this side with the purple Narwal logo over there. And surprise, surprise, that reveals our vacuum bag right here, where there's a purple tab you just pull to remove the vacuum. You can dispose of the old vacuum bag. Then you can take your new vacuum bag, you just line everything up, and you press it right back in place like that. And the last thing to do is put the cover back on. That's it. Simple and straightforward to change the vacuum bag on the Narwal Freo Z10.